Nice shot.
No kidding.
All right, keep the point down.
What are you aiming for?
The apple.
The apple.
It's like, that was really far away from the guy.
Looks like you're going a little bit low.
A little low.
Looks like it. Cool.
That was it. Okay. And then you're gonna take the safety off and pull it back. There you go.
Let me see if I hit one of your apples here. There you go. Now it's locked and loaded. I'm going to try to reach out and touch that pan out there. Okay, here we go. My first try, I'm going to try to hit that pan out there. Okay, the only good zombie is a dead zombie. Take two.